Hello, fellow teacher. Did you know that in your classroom, you have students with different learning styles and preferences? To ensure learning happens at the same pace for all, you are encouraged to apply Universal Design for Learning, UDL. UDL is a teaching approach designed to optimize learning by using flexible methods, materials, and assessments to accommodate different learning needs for all students in the classroom. UDL is mediated in 3 principles, namely multiple means of representation, multiple means of engagement, and multiple means of action and expression. Multiple means of representation. To apply this principle, you are expected to create an inclusive and engaging learning environment by using diverse instructional methods, including visual, auditory, text-based materials, assessive technologies, hands-on activities, peer discussions, flexible access, and quick assessments. Multiple means of engagement. To apply this principle, you are expected to recognize and accommodate individual differences to enhance students' engagement and motivation. Multiple means of action and expression. To apply this principle, you are expected to offer diverse assessment methods, encouraging verbal and written expression, incorporating hands-on activities, and using technology to allow students to demonstrate understanding in various ways. Teacher, you are requested to incorporate or apply these 3 principles into lesson planning and curriculum delivery in your classroom. Learners' readiness.
Learners' readiness, this is an entry point for the learners or students to be prepared for learning. And in the learners' readiness, we can apply one of the 3 principles of UDL. That is multiple means of engagement. In learners' engagement, we are going to apply different ways of engaging learners. For example, a teacher can use a song, a teacher can play a video, a teacher can tell a story, and so on.
Penguins, attention!
Penguins.
Begin! Right flipper, have you
Ever seen a penguin come potty? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins, attention! Penguins begin. Right flipper, left flipper. Have you ever seen a penguin come potty? Take a look at me.
Introduction.
After learner's readiness, in UDL, we have introduction. In introduction, a teacher can apply multiple means of engagement by creating safe and supportive learning environment, which is going to motivate these learners or students to learn. We are going to have a mathematics lesson, and our lesson is about mass measurement. Everybody, mass? Measurement. Mass? Measurement. Very good. Our lesson title is measuring mass. Measuring what? Mass. Measuring what? Mass. Last time we learned how to measure length. The other time we learned how to measure capacity. But this time we are going to measure mass. We are going to measure mass. Wow. Can you clap for yourselves?
In introduction, learners enter the lesson with the support of the teacher through demonstration, storytelling, role plays, video plays, chat display, and many more.
Who can present to us what one is seeing or observing or following up? Can I have Atamba? Tell us. Atamba? What do you speak louder?
I am seeing a house.
You are seeing a house. Wonderful. Can we clap for Atamba?
Thank you for your colorful answer.
That's great. Hirwa, present to us one thing that you are able to.
I am seeing a girl.
You are seeing a girl. Wonderful. Suppose you are Keza and you are holding two stones like this. What would you be doing, really? What would you be doing? She's trying to see which one is heavier and which one is it? What is the opposite of heavier? Lighter. Lighter. By the end of this lesson, we learners will be able to measure, to do what? Measure. To do what?
To measure.
Mass of different objects. Mass of different
Object.
Lesson development.
In the lesson development, this is where the real teaching and the real learning is taking place. In the real teaching and real learning, a teacher uses the two principles of UDL. These are multiple means of representation. Here, a teacher uses multiple means of representation. Maybe, for example, he can use a video to represent a content, can use a story, can use diagrams or images to represent a content. Because remember, behind all this, we are having an inclusive classroom.
I have two envelopes. This envelope is envelope Y. Envelope what? Y. Then this one is envelope X. Who can present to us the difference? Yes? Speak louder.
Envelope Y is heavier than envelope X.
She says envelope Y is heavier than envelope X. If I ask you to carry one of the two, which one would you prefer to carry and why?
Envelope X.
Why? Why do you prefer envelope X?
Because envelope X is lighter than envelope Y.
Can we clap for him? Can we give him flowers? Let's give him flowers. Flowers.
In lesson development, we have another principle, UDL principle, which is multiple means of engagement. And this is where a teacher uses different styles, because we are having learners with different learning styles. For example, a teacher puts the students in groups and provides them with activities where these learners inclusively, they are going to be using multiple means of engagement. For example, one group can use hands-on activities or experiment. Another group can have playing video. Another group can have presenting images or charts. But all these focus on the same content. Why? We are having different students with different learning styles. Therefore, we need to apply different ways of engaging them so that the learning takes place at the same pace and the students are motivated in the learning.
When you follow up here, what is this? What is this? What is this? Take. Very good. Instruments used to measure. To measure. Very good, very good, very good. Now, if you've been following the video properly, who can put up the hand and tell us at least one thing that you have followed up from the video? Yes. She followed that. They were measuring what things which are here.
During lesson development, you should promote collaboration, encourage creative expression through diverse communication methods, allow self-pacing, offer students a choice on how they respond, and use flexible tools and resources, both digital and printed, to accommodate different learning styles.
We are going to do what we have been doing there. Are we together? Yes. Are we together? Yes. You are going to come here and read the reading here. Are we together? Yes. Are we together? Yes. For example, now this one is 0.24 grams. 0.24 grams. Now, I want you to come and tell us the measurement here. You are going to tell us the measurement here. Secretary, have you recorded the reading? Good. Have you recorded the reading? Yes. Very good, very good, very good.
The importance of applying multiple means of representation and multiple means of engagement during lesson development is to help the teacher and the students themselves inclusively to learn perfectly at their learning pace.
I want you to go into groups. We are going to measure this group. Can you come here as a group? Can you measure 2 kilograms? Be quick, be quick. Can I have you come here? And get a book and a pen. Get a book and a pen.
Assessment and conclusion.
After lesson development, we are now going to look at assessment. In assessment, students have already done the activities, and now the teacher needs to know how they have done the activities. What is their ideas? What is their findings? Students are going to use multiple means of action and expression, whereby a student can decide to use either by telling a story, by having an experiment being conducted, by presenting the real image of what he has learned. The student can also use a video or a project to express his or her ideas from the learning process.
Peter has a bag full of feathers of 10 kilograms, while Vanessa has a bag full of stones of 10 kilograms. How many people do we have here? Who and who?
During the assessment, teachers are expected to differentiate assessment difficulty. Use different assessment formats such as quizzes, projects, presentations. Then offer learners different options to demonstrate learning and incorporate real-world relevance and interactive assessments such as games or simulations to help maintain students' interest.
Therefore, as our homework, when you go home, please make sure you do this homework. Estimate how many kilograms of Irish potatoes you can eat at home if you are 5 people. Just give estimation. Question number 2 says, estimate the number of kilograms of salt. Of what? Salt. The issue is estimate. Don't measure, not measuring. Are you together? You can use for 1 year if you use 1 kilogram per month. If a family uses 2,500 grams of sugar in a week, how many kilograms does this family consume in a week? So see you next lesson. Bye-bye.